Good morning, sir. This is Lokesh, roll number 2495182122. Uh, Today, an assignment report of engineering mechanics. The topic is about varying weight analysis. Introduction to varying weight analysis. Varying weight analysis is a method used to assess the data sets where weights differ among observations. This approach allows for more accurate conclusions by accounting for the varying importance of data points. Understanding how to apply varying weight analysis is essential in fields such as economics, healthcare, and social sciences. Importance of varying weight analysis: it improves the representativeness of results by giving more influence to relevant data points. This method helps in reducing bias that may arise from treating all observations equally. Varying weight analysis provides deeper insights into relationships and trends within datasets. Applications in research: researchers are varying weight analysis to adjust for sample size discrepancies in survey data. It is frequently employed in meta-analysis to balance studies with differing sample sizes and variances. Varying weight analysis assists in the evaluation of treatment effects in clinical trials with diverse populations. Concept of weights: weights represent the relative importance. Weights represent the relative importance or contribution of each observation in data set. In varying weight analysis, these weights are determined based on specific criteria relevant to the study. Understanding how to assign weights is crucial for obtaining valid results from the analysis. Types of weights: there are several types of weights, including analytical, survey, and probability weights. Analytical weights are based on the precision of observed values and are often used in econometrics. Survey weights adjust for sampling design and are critical to produce representative estimates. Methods of weight assignment. Weight assignment can be based on prior knowledge, empirical observation, and statistical modeling. Common methods include using inverse variance or proportional allocation based on population characteristics. Choosing the right method. Choosing the right method for weight assignment is vital for the integrity of the analysis. Statistical techniques for varying weight analysis. Several statistical techniques can be employed including weighted least squares and estimating equations generalized estimating equations. Weighted squares are particularly effective for linear aggregations models with heteroscedasticity. Generalized estimating equations allow for the analysis of correlated data with varying weights. Challenges in varying weight analysis. One major challenge is determining approximate weights, which can be subjective and complex. Misapplication of weights can lead to incorrect conclusions and misinterpretation of results. Researchers must carefully consider. The implications of their weighting choices. Throughout the analysis. Case study. Healthcare outcomes. A study examining healthcare outcomes often a study observing healthcare outcomes often utilizes varying weight analysis to reflect patient demographics. By applying weights based on age, gender, or commodities, researchers can understand treatment efficiency. This approach helps identify disparities in healthcare access and outcomes among different populations. Case study economic surveys. In economic surveys, varying weight analysis adjusts for unequal sampling across income levels. Researchers can more accurately assess economic trends by applying weights that reflect population distribution. This analysis improves policy recommendations by revealing the needs of underrepresented groups. Evaluating weight impact. Evaluating the impact of weight choices is crucial to ascertain their influence of the analysis results. Sensitivity analysis can be performed to determine how varying weights affect overall findings. Understanding the robustness validating conclusions drawing from the analysis. Future trends, ethical considerations, practical tips for implementation. Begin by clearly defining the purpose of the analysis and determining the criteria of a weight assignment. Use pilot studies to test weight effects before finalizing them for larger data sets. Pilot studies. Always document the rationale of chosen weights to support transparency and reproducibility. Comparison with other analytical methods, varying weight analysis differ from traditional analysis by introducing notched view data importance. The distinction allows researchers to draw more informed conclusions from data sets. Thank you. This is D. Lokesh from Aeronautical Engineering signing off. Thank you.